Okay, another question, shifting it over to AI. So a lot of stuff's been
Yeah.
happening with AI. So I think we
Hmm.
should go a little bit into that one. So I
Yeah.
wanted to give you guys perspective from somebody who's in the industry. I'm in the industry. PBO is in the industry. We're going to give you some real life insight into what's happening right now. Now, first of all, PBO, what is your opinion on somebody who's trying to get into the AI space? You're an IT professional. Is there a way to pivot into AI, or what's your advice with that?
Well, pivot. I think AI is in everything. If you look at AWS Guard doing a lot of fun, they got machine learning already built in there, right? Like Guard, if I'm looking through logs, I can't look through a lot of petabytes of logs, right? So I'm using machine learning with AI on top of MITRE. So I'm looking for certain attacks. From the GRC perspective, we were talking about, can we get AI Grok to update our SSPs? I was talking about, so, and two, is it smart enough to know if we feed it our documentation, could it go through and give us recommendations on what our architecture is? And the answer is yes, right? Somebody reached out to me. We were doing assessment, so we took all that vendor's documentation, put it into AI, and then we had to do an assessment on their trust center, right? So AI is there. So what's the best way to use it, right? So I don't think AI is going to take over everything, but you're going to need less people with AI. But two is there's going to be a lot more services, a lot more SaaS, so you're going to need some help helping you do that too, right? So I think that's going to be a balance of that. Currently, right now, I don't think AI is a big issues. The reason why is we're a million people short, so the gatekeepers are not letting people in with or without AI. So, so I don't think. So I think we got a bigger problem with gatekeepers stopping people from getting in, than we got people
Right,
with AI. So,
right.
so AI is kind of helping because if we short, AI kind of helps it a little bigger. But I think we need to kind of get over that hump. Is because is college a scam? Do we need colleges? What certs we have? So I think we have more of a educational, how we're going to get people in and get trained people. But AI is here, and I think you need to understand it. But once again, I think AI is going to be working in the back more. Once again, helping you go through logs. If I got a SOC, you're not going through a petabyte of logs. AI is going to help you do that. So even if you do threat hunting, you're only looking for a specific sliver or some kind of novel attack. Where it's looking through your logs. We can talk about Cozy Bear, Russia, and Iran. They have a TTP attack pattern. So AI machine learning is going to look through your logs to help you see those type of attacks, right? From an AI perspective. So I don't think if you had AI versus, I think AI, GRC, and cloud all comes together, right? Because we
Absolutely.
got to govern it. We got cloud, and we have AI assisting us with our cloud workloads. Once again, from a governance risk standpoint, going through there and validating how you set it up. I mean, so there's a lot of things AI is assisting. So I
We
think all that's going to work together. And,
Yes,
you're going to need to
absolutely.
understand all those so you can be employed. In a,
Yes.
so that's kind of how I envision it.